Thomas Cashman, 34, allegedly killed the 9-year-old, who was caught in the crossfire during the horror in Liverpool on the 22nd of August 2022. He is also charged with the attempted murder of convicted burglar Joseph Nee, who was chased by a gunman into Olivia's home. Cashman is further accused of attempting to murder Olivia's mum Cheryl after she was shot in the wrist, and 2 counts of possession of a firearms with intent to endanger life. The mum watched from the public gallery today as Cashman appeared at Liverpool Magistrates Court flanked by 4 police officers. He spoke only to confirm his name, dates of birth and address during the brief hearing. Cashman, of West Derby, was remanded in custody to appear at Liverpool Crown Court at 2 p.m. today, the 3rd of October 2022.
Prosecution Service has authorised Merseyside Police to charge Thomas Cashman, 34, from Grenadier Drive, West Derby, with the murder of 9-year-old Olivia Pratt-Korbel.
The investigation team, with support from officers and staff from across the UK, have worked relentlessly since the murder on the 22nd of August. It has been a complex inquiry which has been supported throughout by Olivia's mum and dad and the wider Merseyside community.
Co-accused Paul Russell, 40, also appeared at court today charged with assisting an offender. The court was told he allegedly assisted Cashman by driving him away from the scene and disposing of clothing. Russell, also of West Derby, will appear at the same court on the 31st of October. The pair were charged on Saturday after weeks of desperate appeals to find the suspected gunman. It also came after crimestoppers pledged their biggest ever award of £200,000 to find the killer. Police have made 11 arrests in total relating to Olivia's death, with 9 suspects later bailed. The bloodbath unfolded when intended target Nee rushed into Olivia's home to escape a gunman. Mum Cheryl appeared to have opened the front door to see what the commotion was when the 35-year-old forced his way inside. The shooter then followed and began peppering the home with bullets, hitting Cheryl first, then Olivia, who was standing behind her mum.
At the beginning of the investigation, we were firm in our commitment to finding all of those involved in this case. This includes the people who have tried to shield and protect individuals, and those who've supplied the weapons, and indeed those who are hiding the weapons used in this attack.
Tragically, Olivia was declared dead shortly after, while her mum was treated for a gunshot wound to the wrist. Intended target Nee was treated for multiple wounds to his upper body and has since been recalled to jail for breaching the terms of his release. Olivia was laid to rest on the 15th of September at St Margaret Mary's Church in Dovecot, close to where the shooting happened. Her mum told mourners wearing a splash of pink in the youngster's memory how she touched so many people's hearts and was loved and adored by everyone. Cheryl added, "I will never say goodbye, but what I will say is good night. Love you. See you in the morning."
On Thursday, 13th of June 2013, weighing just £4 2 ounces, my beautiful baby girl Olivia was born. She was 6 weeks early and spent 9 days in the special baby unit. She was so small, yet even as a newborn she had her own mind and was not waiting until her due date, because she knew she had to go and meet her Auntie Charlie before she gained her angel wings. As Olivia grew, we quickly realised she was very independent. Even as a toddler, she would want to do things for herself with no fear. She would choose her own clothes even if they didn't match. Olivia was very chatty and bubbly and would talk for England to the point we thought she had Duracell batteries hidden inside her somewhere. Olivia loved to sing and dance. She would always be singing along to songs she enjoyed, especially when we would be driving in the car and would always be in charge of the CD player. Olivia knew exactly how to wrap people around her little finger to get what she wanted, especially her brother Ryan and sister Chloe. She would often just give them a cheeky smile and they would give in instantly. Liv touched so many people's hearts and was loved and adored by everyone. She will never be forgotten. So us and I will never say goodbye, but what I will say is good night, love you, see you in the morning. Mwah.